Hi everyone, good evening. So today we will basically look key front-end junction पे how you can add your interview experiences. And before moving on, we will first basically talk about like what is front-end junction and why it is being there. So basically, I started front-end junction to gather all the interview experiences. So right now it's basically around front-end, but later on, if it the response is good, so we can basically navigated to backend also or like other roles also. So that's pretty much brief about front-end junction. And I have like lots of plan to add external things, lots of features and all. So we will be focusing on that later. But for now, like add interview experiences was like very or you can say a backbone of the front-end junction. Right now, like we have two types of interview experiences on platform. So अभी जितने भी interview experiences हैं platform पे सारे external हैं. It's like I have a list or like just a name and you get a button and you can just redirect and just read from there. But what if someone doesn't want to go somewhere else? They want to read on this particular platform only. Why need to go somewhere else? So that's why I have started working on this particular feature, and yeah, it's pretty much ready. Let's just I will quickly give you an overview so that you can add your interview experiences. And obviously, the feature is not yet foolproof, so obviously it will have some bugs or like minor issues. And obviously, I would recommend to add your interview expenses on laptop. Obviously, it will work on your mobile also, but yeah, there are some pretty much issues there that will be fixed. But yeah, let's click on add interview. So basically, you all have know about Typeform, right? So I also love the experience of Typeform. So I have inherited some of the design features from there and have implemented it here. So it will seem like you are filling a type form here, but again, it's not a type form. It's an in-house thing I have developed. So yeah, let's start. So here you can give the company name here. Test company I will just mention for it now. Let's just for sake of it we can give Google. Okay. So where was the Google's job location? It can be Bangalore. Anything you can fill it up. It's not an issue. What job title were you chasing at Google? Okay. So since it is basically front end, so we can get some options here also, or you can just put your own thing also. You're like a software engineer or something. Yeah. So that's pretty much about it. For the sake of yeah, I will put it from UI engineer one, or you can put let's proceed. What was the status of the interview result? This is kind of selected, ghosted, rejected. Many of the times it happens like people get ghosted, right? So that's why I have given ghosted as an option. So let's click on this. And here is the like the main portion where you are going to fill up your all details, what questions. So I will like to help you. I have added one like simple basic format where you can route your interview experiences. So it can be how many of the rounds were there in the rounds, what kind of questions were being asked, and all. So this kind of things you can mention. So for the sake of simplicity, I will just test interview experience split, and here like it's a rich text editor. So basically, uh, you can make it bold. Obviously, there will be other features also, images and all, but that feature is not yet there. But yeah, basic thing is there, so you can make use of it and write it. Okay. Please provide a link to your LinkedIn profile. So this is for someone like who want to reveal their identity or something like who want people to reach out like once they read their interview experiences. So for that I have added it. Let me know if you want this or not. We can remove it also, make it a non-required field. For the sake of it, there is no validation here. You just give the value and it will go to the next questions. So interview date is something like it's good to organize the interview experiences. So yeah, for the sake of simplicity, I will just enter Friday one. Okay, boom. So this is the kind of last question. Would you like to reveal your identity or remain anonymous in the post? So it depends on you because someone. somebody has some problem that they don't want to reveal their identity as like basically it happens on this thing, this lead code interview experiences, right? They are the interview experiences are basically anonymous. You don't know who has posted those experiences. But again, it depends on you. Same feature will be available here also. But if you want, you can reveal your identity also, and that will come as a LinkedIn bio or something, so that people can reach out and discuss with you. So I will reveal my identity, and that's it. Boom. So our form has been submitted. The submission will be reviewed and will be live soon. So इसके आगे का flow it's ऐसा है कि basically one admin or like one reviewer would be there and who will basically see कि those interview experiences are good or not, the data are correct or not, or someone is just spamming only. So once that is reviewed and it will be live on this particular page. So right now it has only external interview experiences on this particular page. So it will be live here, and I'm planning to have some kind of notification also so that somebody who has submitted their interview experiences would get some notification like that. But again, that's a fancy feature. We can have it later also. So yeah, that's it for now. I would request you to guys go ahead and check out the front end Junction, and obviously if you have given interviews recently, so I would request you to add your interview experiences. Thank you.